Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on how you can download and install the new GMB tracker. So once you have purchased, the website will redirect you to your profile. Now what you need to do is simply just click on download software. See, the software will take a couple of seconds to download. Click on show in folder. You can right click and select copy, go to your desktop and click anywhere and right click and select paste. Once you've pasted the GMB tracker zip file to your folder, simply right click and select extract all. We want to select the GMB tracker to our desktop, so click on extract. If you're using Windows 10, as you can see, the extracted folder will open automatically. Now all we need to do is simply double click on the GMB tracker _locked exe file. Double click it. Again, for Windows 10, we just say no to this. Now, when we're asked for our email and license key, you can minimize the two back folders. You can also resize the window. If I don't close it, resize the window so we can see our email address. So simply highlight it, right click on your mouse, select copy, click on the license, input details, right click and select paste, and do the same thing for our license key. Highlight it, right click with your mouse and select copy, go into your license info license key input field, and click so the cursor is flashing, right click and select paste. Now all we need to do is click on submit. And as you can see, the GMB tracker software will load. In the video below this, I will take you through how we can configure our CSV file, what Google search engine to use, and if you want to use the automatic reverse search as well. Thank you.